Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. I am Adnan Ahmed. My student ID is 2510637175. Today I am going to presenting the course of business statistics. My presentation topics: role of statistics in artificial intelligence and big data. In this presentation, I will discuss what statistics, AI, and big data are, and how statistics play a vital role in these modern technologies. Statistics is the science of collecting, arranging, analyzing, and interpreting data. It helps in making informed decisions based on data, provides tools to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. What is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to ability of machines or computer system to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. Examples: virtual assistants, ChatGPT and chatbots, self-driving cars, recommendation systems. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large, complex data sets that cannot be processed using traditional methods. Characteristics: number one, volume, large amount of data. Number two, velocity, first generation of data. Number three, variety, different data formats. Number four, veracity, data quality and accuracy. Number five, value, using insights from data. How statistics supports AI? Data collection and pre-processing, probability based pre-decisions, training machine learning models, measuring model accuracy and performance. Benefits: improve prediction accuracy, reduces uncertainty, enhance model reliabilities. Application in big data: data summarization, sampling sampling large data sets, pattern recognition, predictive analysis. Benefits: faster decision making, better business insights, efficient data management. Real life example: Netflix recommendations, using statistical algorithms to suggest content. Fraud detection, banks analyze transactions pattern to identify frauds. Number three, healthcare diagnosis. AI predicts diseases using pattern patients data. Relationship: big data, statistics, AI. Big data provides information. Statistics extract meaningful insights. AI uses those insights to learn and make decisions. Conclusion: statistics in the backbone of AI and big data. AI relies and statistical method for learning and prediction. Big data requires statistical technique for analyzing and interpretation. Together, they enable intelligence data driven decisions making. Thank you, everyone.